Hello. Please hit like button and subscribe my channel. Also press bell icon for future video notifications. Thanks.
Using observations from NASA's Transiting Exoplanet Survey Satellite (TESS), an international team of astronomers has discovered a trio of hot worlds larger than Earth orbiting a much younger version of our Sun called TOI 451. The system resides in the recently discovered Pisces-Eridanus stream, a collection of stars less than 3% the age of our solar system that stretches across one-third of the sky. The planets were discovered in TESS images taken between October and December 2018. Follow-up studies of TOI 451 and its planets included observations made in 2019 and 2020 using NASA's Spitzer space telescope, which has since been retired, as well as many ground-based facilities. Archival infrared data from NASA's Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer (NEOWISE) satellite, collected between 2009 and 2011 under its previous moniker, WISE, suggests the system retains a cool disk of dust and rocky debris. Other observations show that TOI 451 likely has two distant stellar companions circling each other far beyond the planets. This system checks a lot of boxes for astronomers, said Elizabeth Newton, an assistant professor of physics and astronomy at Dartmouth College in Hanover, New Hampshire, who led the research. It's only 120 million years old and just 400 light-years away, allowing detailed observations of this young planetary system. And because there are 3 planets between 2 and 4 times Earth's size, they make especially promising targets for testing theories about how planetary atmospheres evolve. A paper reporting the findings was published on January 14 in the Astronomical Journal and is available online. Stellar streams form when the gravity of our Milky Way galaxy tears apart star clusters or dwarf galaxies. The individual stars move out along the cluster's original orbit, forming an elongated group that gradually disperses. In 2019, a team led by Stefan Meingast at the University of Vienna used data from the European Space Agency's Gaia mission to discover the Pisces-Eridanus stream, named for the constellations containing the greatest concentrations of stars. Stretching across 14 constellations, the stream is about 1,300 light-years long. However, the age initially determined for the stream was much older than we now think. Later in 2019, researchers led by Jason Curtis at Columbia University in New York City analyzed TESS data for dozens of stream members. Younger stars spin faster than their older counterparts do, and they also tend to have prominent star spots, darker, cooler regions like sunspots. As these spots rotate in and out of our view, they can produce slight variations in a star's brightness that TESS can measure. The TESS measurements revealed overwhelming evidence of star spots and rapid rotation among the stream's stars. Based on this result, Curtis and his colleagues found that the stream was only 120 million years old, similar to the famous Pleiades cluster and 8 times younger than previous estimates. The mass, youth, and proximity of the Pisces-Eridanus stream make it an exciting fundamental laboratory for studying star and planet formation and evolution. Thanks to TESS nearly all sky coverage, measurements that could support a search for planets orbiting members of this stream were already available to us when the stream was identified, said Jesse Christensen, a co-author of the paper and the deputy science lead at the NASA Exoplanet Archive. TESS data will continue to allow us to push the limits of what we know about exoplanets and their systems for years to come. The young star TOI 451, better known to astronomers as CD 381467, lies about 400 light-years away in the constellation Eridanus. It has 95% of our Sun's mass, but it is 12% smaller, slightly cooler, and emits 35% less energy. TOI 451 rotates every 5.1 days, which is more than 5 times faster than the Sun. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you technological news. Thank you.